We're both feeling poorly, so naturally it's time to build a unit. So if we build this one now, we know whether it'll fit or not, so we could take the old one to the charity shop while we're here.
If it doesn't fit, it's becoming firewood.
We've gotten to this point and we've realised this is on upside down. Time to undo this. You're having fun?
Yes.
The reality of building one in such a small space as well. That makes more sense. Continue.
Ta-da! We haven't put the wheels on yet because we now need to race into town to go to the bank while it's open, but we just needed to see if this can fit the PS5, because if it can, we have to lug this to a charity shop now. Basically now.
Yes. Moment of truth. Oh, like a glove.
Well, that's quite satisfying.
That is really nice. Now it's a lot more protected and safe. Ooh, that looks nice. The things that Wes gets up to on his lunch break at work are just not normal.
I've had about total of about 2 hours sleep for the last couple of nights because I've been coughing constantly. But we haven't got a car, so we've got no other time that we can do this. My little side table.
That little table served us well to say that we bought it ages ago and it was only going to be temporary. When we moved in, we bought like little bits of furniture, and it's nice to slowly improve them and make the boat feel more organised.
We're absolutely knackered. We're just coasting off whatever fumes we've got left. Just finished work and we're just finishing up the final touches on our little cabinet. Amy's about to slide it into position.
The plan was it's got wheels so that we could bring it round, put it in front, use it as a desk, or maybe when we've got food we can use it as a food or something. But we live on a boat. Are you ready?
The wheels haven't got any rubber on them. I don't think it will work.
Oh no.
It's alright, we've already given the old one away.
I don't know if it looks better or worse, Wes.
Don't say that. We at least need the aesthetic to look better.
It clashes with this wood. Does it even look nicer?
Should have said yes by now, shouldn't I? Yes. I'll just open up this cupboard.
Oh no, the brakes are on.
Ooh, that is made to measure though.
That is nice, isn't it? For the one time you've played it this year. We've got it now.
We're slowly making the boat worse now. We've peaked and we're on the way down.
We got this from Crick, from the Minimalist stand, and we're going to fill in where we've done so far and hang it up on the wall. So here it is so far. Not bad to say we've only been on the boat a year. So we bought the boat around here. Then we did the Llangollen, the Montgomery. Then we did all the way down here, Langley Mill. And then down the Saw, Market Harborough, Welford, Crick. And then down here and to Abingdon, where we are right now.
As usual, it's all systems go. Just finished work. We've done loads of chores and things today, and now we need to leave our mooring because you're only allowed to stay here for 3 days, and we want to make our way towards Letchlade at the weekend. So we are turning around, going up the lock, doing the facilities, and then heading to another mooring that we've already been in.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings. My only hope 'cause I don't know.
We found our old spot and there's no boats in it, so we're heading straight for it.
And we want chips. Just noticed the water level is so much higher here. This was a complete bank all the way down to about here before.
Rivers are scary.
Amazing what a couple of days rain can do.
Yeah.
So we were going to moor here. We think we still can, but because the water level's so much higher, there's so much stuff, it's like being moored in a swamp. So Wes is wrangling the boat. We're trying one last bit because this looks maybe like how a plank will fit. Wes seems to think so.
I don't know.
We did it! It fits!
All I have to do is stand here for 2 days.
Yeah, don't let the boat drift. Rufus is happy. He's got a field and a tennis ball. Hey! Ready? Get it in!
Cows!
Hello! Wes, you made her mad.
I don't know how to get back onto the boat. A wall has emerged around it. Don't mind me.
Change, and she put enormous thought into how she could, what she described as
Just found out that the Queen's died. It's pretty weird, isn't it?
It's really weird seeing it all over the news, like it interrupted all the TV shows and stuff. We're not huge followers of the royal family or anything like that, but obviously she's been the Queen for all of our lives, and now we've got a king, which just feels so strange. So we're just watching it unfold live on the telly as it happens. She's our longest serving monarch.
Ever.
Yeah.
And now Charles, who's 72, is the king. Do they change the money?
Yeah.
Do they?
So in 1 week, this week, we've had a new prime minister and a new king.
Been in this spot for a couple of nights now. It's been really nice again. Really like it here. But we're going to cruise a couple of hours and try and get somewhere near Oxford and just find a mooring, because this weekend we want to get to Lechlade. We've toyed with the idea of going and then we kind of cancelled it, but we definitely want to visit it. We think we've got time, so it should be a pretty good one.
Wait, oh no.
Setting off from some of these spots is always a bit of an ordeal, because you got this weird puzzle of the boat drifting out into a river, the plank falling in, trying to juggle the ropes and get the mooring pins out, and Rufus trying to pull and bark at everything. We made it, just about. A little bit hairy at one point. Rufus's paws got a bit of a dunk, but other than that, pretty good. We've arrived back in Oxford, a little bit earlier than we thought though, so we haven't been keeping an eye out for mooring. But it looks quite busy anyway, as it seems to always be down here. So we're just going to keep going and see if there's a mooring anywhere. Take that.
We're about to go past like a party boat full of people on the left, and on the right there's a pub full of people on a Friday night. So we hope we're going the right way and that we don't crash. We're at Osney Lock now. It's full, so I'm going to let the water out. It's so good on rivers. I haven't touched a windlass or cranked in ages. It's easy peasy. Oh, all you have to do is just opening the paddles. Done. Oh, it's so much clearer now. We also wanted to moor here because this is a vegan pub and we really wanted to see it. But this also looks full. So Wes is a bit stressed because there was somebody with a sign in the window that said you're welcome to moor alongside, and it's just started raining. We're leaving in the morning, so we're reversing back to go and moor alongside them. I've just run over and asked her and she said it's fine. But now Wes just got to reverse, and I can't use the barge pole because it's too deep. And we ain't got bow thrusters, so you got this, Wes.
Alright, it's only all the way down there.
Yeah, we're going not that far, like maybe like 6 boat lengths.
It's far when you're reversing with no steering.
And I've had to bring Condor around out of the way. Let's go. Well, that was good. We're in. We're double moored. It's the first time we've ever moored on someone else. And the lady was really, really nice. She's had it on for 2 years and no one's ever asked her if they're allowed to moor alongside. So it had to be us. We're the first ones. She's probably going to take it off now. We're on. It's really nice just for one night. And we're going to go check out the pub now. Glad we stopped when we did because the rain started to come down. Now we can get some food and get cosy.
Yeah, that's not going to stop me from trying a vegan pub though, is it?
Of course not.
Vegan pub time. Yes.
Hope they're still doing food.
Please.
So we sat down at the pub to get some food, and it was like really fancy food, which was very nice. But we're in the mood for something a bit more chips, basically. So we just sat outside in the garden having some drinks, and then we're going to go back and watch some TV instead. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for coming along with us. Thank you so much to Lynn for the chips this week. And if you haven't already, check out our socials. We'll see you in the next one.